Chemical reactions can break down organic molecules to produce ATP, even in the absence of oxygen. And one series of chemical reactions which does this, known as the glycolysis pathway, is close to universal in living things. Human skeletal muscle and bacteria all share essentially the same enzymes which convert sugars such as glucose into 2,3 carbon molecules of pyruvate. And so this pathway, which uses organic molecules as a source of ATP, must have evolved early in life to be so universally distributed, and probably evolved prior to the introduction of oxygen into the atmosphere, given that this process is anaerobic. Many bacteria, and even a few eukaryotes, can use glycolysis alone and live in an atmosphere without oxygen.